Hello, it's Nicko with food cravings, and today we're making potato salad. Although its origin is shrouded in mystery, I did some digging and came up with the facts. So here's what I found. Potato salad is widely believed to have originated from recipes brought to the US by way of German and European settlers during the 19th century. It was first introduced to Europe from the New World by Spanish explorers in the 16th century, however. These early potato salads were made by boiling potatoes in wine or vinegar and spices. The more American version of potato salad is rooted in German cuisine and came here with European settlers. So if I were you, I'd think twice about potato salad's origin entirely. For potato salad, you'll want to stay away from starchy, thick-skinned potatoes like russets, but I'm here to defy all odds with my recipe, and it's gonna be living proof that this can and still will work using russets. Let's get started. And here I used red onion thinly sliced. You'll want to do the same. In a separate bowl, I have sliced 4 russet potatoes, and to that I added chopped celery and diced pickles. Next, we'll toss in the onions. And for all you onion haters out there, we can't escape this because of the flavor it adds to it. And suddenly, the mayo decided to roll through, one lump at a time. And right about now, I was on a quest for a drizzle and came back with some mustard, and this time, just like a double helix, it was about 2 drizzles, so I poured in the vinegar, along with a pinch of salt. And as I found my pepper mill, cracked in some freshly ground pepper. And at this point I also realized we clicked together about 55 times. And to that I dumped in some capers and added in some paprika and another ingredient, some tarragon, freshly chopped of course. Next, I drizzled in a bit of Worcestershire sauce and some of the sweet stuff. Next, we'll go under and over with our spoon, and you'll want to mix this thoroughly so that all the flavors can be combined and the mayo distributed all throughout the salad evenly. And you'll want to refrigerate this for at least 4 hours or overnight before serving for a tastier experience. And if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've watched my recipes for barbecue sauce and barbecue pork, you definitely know where this potato salad belongs. Right next to it as a side dish. I hope you've enjoyed my recipe for potato salad, or what I call my secret recipe, shh, don't tell anyone, for the best potato salad ever. For ingredient amounts and more info, please visit www.chefnicko.blogspot.com. Thank you, bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next video recipe.